So what's going on, guys? My name is Dwayne and welcome back to the channel if you joined me before, and welcome if you're joining me for the first time. So guys, if you haven't watched the previous video, it might be beneficial to do so you're more up to speed with what's going on now. But if you have been following the journey of the Clio, you will know that in the last video we gave the engine bay a nice overall quick but effective detail, so that the overall look of the engine bay is just lifted and we got that, you know, that little shine back in the engine bay. Now in today's video, the main thing is to remove all the main visual parts of the engine. That's what we're going to be doing today, guys. It is removal day. We're going to get all the main visual parts of the engine off so I can take them away and get them de-rusted, get them cleaned up and get paint on them if need be, so that they're looking nice and fresh for that OEM fresh look we're going for. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So guys, I'm not actually going to be doing like a how-to video for two main reasons. The first one being that the amount of parts which I need to take out of the engine bay could easily make like a 35 to 45 minute video, and I want this video to kind of be short and interesting rather than long and boring. So the second reason as well, guys, is that I've already like checked it out online and everything, and these cars, the 172 and the 182 trophy, is so well documented. Everything what I'm doing today you could easily just Google or go onto like the cliosport.net website or the cliotrophy.co.uk website, and you'll have a ton of guides and all the torque settings what you need to do anything what I'm doing in this video and more. So you really don't need like a how-to video out of this as such, because there's a ton of information out there for you guys. But anyway, let's get started. Let's get everything off the engine so that in the next video we can get everything all cleaned up, get everything all prepared, looking good, looking fresh, and back on the engine bay. Please forgive me if the lighting isn't that great, because I am working out of a little garage in the middle of southeast London, so I don't have electric, I don't have lighting, I don't have those luxuries. But not to worry, guys, as time goes on and, you know, hopefully as the channel grows, one day in the future, you know, I'll have one of those videos saying like, look at the new unit. Remember where we started, back in the little garage where we could just about fit the car in. See, there's hardly even any room down the side of the car. But anyway, let's crack on. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to just remove the inlet manifold, the top half. I'm not really going to trouble the bottom half, guys, because as you can see, you can just about see it. That is it there. That's all you're going to see of it. And yeah, so I'm not going to bother, you know, going all the way in, because I'm not looking to port it or anything like that. So it's not really worth it in my eyes for me to be bothering with that, because you can just about see it. But engine mount, this part of the engine mount cover, whatever you want to call it, that's coming off. This is coming off as well. The injector cover, ECU cover, and this support here, that's all coming off. And the engine hoist, I don't know, point or whatever you want to call it, plate, that's coming off as well. So I think that's the game plan. So yeah, let's go. Look at the rain though. You wouldn't believe I know there's people from abroad as well, from Brazil and South America will actually subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, by the way. But yeah, you wouldn't believe we had weather, bright blue skies, and it was like 30, I think it was around 28, 29, 30 degrees. And yeah, look at it now. But anyway. Right guys, that's pretty much it for this week. It's not all gonna get done in this one video. What I wanted to achieve in this video was to literally get everything off the car. So I've got a nice pile on the floor, which you just saw, and I'm gonna take it away now, get it all cleaned up, and then record that so you guys can see how I actually went about doing that, and then get it put back onto the car. That will be in a video in the following week, so after you see this one. Right guys, so as you can see, everything is out of the Clio, what I wanted out. Everything's gonna go away with me now, so I can concentrate on them and get them cleaned up as best as possible. I'm not trying to make out I'm any sort of like professional at this, guys, but I'm gonna clean it up as best as I can. I don't think I actually showed you guys that when you take the engine mount off on that side, on the driver side, it is actually supported underneath. So don't think I've just left the engine like hanging, like that's not the case at all. But other than that, please guys, as usual, please like the video, comment if it's positive, leave it out if it's not. Subscribe if you haven't already. It will massively help the channel and help me to continue making these videos. And I will catch you in the next one, guys, where we make all the bits and pieces look clean, pretty, tidy, and ready to go back on the Clio. Take care, guys. Peace.